Amazon affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing with YouTube, Amazon affiliate marketing to get started for free without a website. Okay, you don't need a website for this method. You didn't know? Here we go. Like and subscribe to the channel. People sleep on Amazon affiliate marketing because they're somewhere they're told that there's no money in it, right? But I'm going to go through some things. If you have no money to get started, if you're trying to make money online and you're trying to get started in affiliate marketing and you just have no money for advertising and you have no budget for anything, you want to get everything for free. This is the video for you. Stick to the end. You're going to get everything for free. You're going to learn how to, you're going to learn it all for free, step by step. You don't miss a step at all. Okay, so stick to it. We're going to start off by going to Amazon, and let me show you something. So we'll go to Amazon. Okay, so here we are on Amazon. Okay, the thing about Amazon is it's a trusted, the biggest online retailer there is, and everybody that is anybody buys from Amazon. So you probably buy stuff from Amazon every day. So you come down to the bottom, and down here you want to become an affiliate. So you're going to sign up, become an affiliate. Okay. Now, like I said before, people sleep on Amazon because they're getting spoiled with the ClickBank, 50%, 100% commissions. Making $60, $100, $500 a sale, and all of this stuff. But, if you don't have money for advertising, you don't have a website with traffic, and you don't have all of these things that they're not telling you about to get you started. And then you're trying to do it, and you're failing, and you're trying to do it. Everything you're doing is what they're telling you to do, but you're not making anything because you have no traffic. Okay. So you're going to use Amazon. Amazon is the name. Okay. You're going to leverage the Amazon name, and that's how you're going to make money. Now, okay, so here's the commissions. Okay, so luxury beauty items, Amazon coins is 10% commissions. Okay, furniture, home improvements, lawn and garden, pets, products, pantry, 8%. So if you're got a pet niche dog and you sell one of those 100-pound bags of dog food, you get 8% of that, right? So headphones, beauty, musical instruments, business and industrial supplies, 6%, outdoor tools, 5.5%, digital music, groceries. Okay. Groceries are big on Amazon, 5%, physical books, mostly everything else is 4%. Okay. But then you got, different things down here that are cheap. Video games are only 1%. So if you thought you were going to make money selling video games and consoles and stuff, that's not it. All right. So this is the deal. You signed up to Amazon to become an affiliate. And I'm not going to go through the steps because it's very simple. You just put in your information and they're going to accept you. You need to have a website. Okay. A YouTube channel might cut it, but you need to have a website. Just go get a website. It's really doesn't cost a lot. Check out my other videos on my channel. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, because I'm going to show you how to make websites and different softwares and stuff to use. But that's not for here. But you're going to need a website to get approved for. So no matter what your niche is, you're going to get started with Amazon Associates. Okay, you're going to get started. You're going to put it on your YouTube channel. You're going to put the link in the videos, and you're going to drive traffic free from YouTube using SEO on YouTube, using keywords and tags and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, and you're going to leverage the free Amazon Associates, and it's all free. It's all free, and you're going to be making money. Okay, so what are we going to do next? All right, so I'll tell you what we're going to do next. Okay, first of all, let me just explain to you. When I said you don't need a video, you don't need a website, and then I said you need a website, right? So you don't need a website as far as having a website to sell products on. Okay, to get a proof. Okay, so just to clarify that, you don't need a website to run this method. You might need the website to get approved faster for the associate program. Okay, but it's not necessarily true because I know people that just have YouTube channels and they're approved. Okay, now here's another thing that the gurus don't tell you, that sales funnels and sales copy, and it's key. Okay, headlines and all, your copy on your website, the copy, it's all you don't know how to do it. Okay. They can explain to you, this and that, but, copywriters learn their craft. Okay. And it's a very specialized field. And just because you throw together an ad and throw together a website, doesn't mean you're going to convert. Okay. You don't know what converting words are, high converting words. You don't know what sales words are. You don't know phrases. You don't know what moves people. You don't know psychology. Okay. Maybe you do, but most people don't. So you don't know what drives people to buy. Okay. And it's different today than it was, let's say, 5 years ago. Okay. So that being said, Amazon does all of that for you. All you got to do is drive them to Amazon, and Amazon is going to sell everything for them. And here's the next thing. The cookies, if you don't know what cookies are a way to track you. So when you sign in and you come into Amazon, the cookies go onto your IP address, and for 24 hours, anything they buy on Amazon, you're going to get the credit for. So if they come to Amazon, they get cookied by you, they come back later and buy their groceries, you're going to get commissions on that, even though that's not what you were selling. Okay? All right. So what are you going to do? We're going to go up here now. We're going to look at Bluetooth, the Beats Bluetooth headphones, right? I'm picking an item. Okay, you can pick anything you want. All right. So Power Beats totally wireless earphones. Okay, so let's say they're a limited time deal. Okay, so we're going to search this. We're going to copy and paste. Copy this. We're going to go over to YouTube. We're going to paste it in. All right. So here we go. So here are all the people and their reviews. You're going to make a review video on, whatever the item is. Okay. So that item there was, what was it, like $199? So, and his headphones were 6%. So if it's $199 times 0.06%, that's you're going to make $11 on the sale, right? So that's just for one sale, $11. Now you're looking to make like 10, 15 sales a day, but it's a slow process. Okay, you're going to make one video a day for a month, and you have 30 videos, and then over time, at the end of the year, you have 300 videos, okay? And they're all on, you're ranking for the video, and you got your link in there, and you're making sales, okay? So, but here's the trick. You're saying, hey, man, you didn't tell me I had to make videos, right? Well, you don't really have to make videos. You come up here to filter, okay? Come up to filter, and over here, Creative Commons. It means they don't have any copyright on the video, so you can do the Creative Commons. All right. Now, anything under here now, you can use. Okay. So here's the new headphones, Apple Power Beats Pro unboxing. So you could take this video. All right. Yeah. I'm going to run through it quick. Show you how fast it is. All right. So we got it muted so it don't play. But what you do is you come over here to share. Okay. And you're going to get this here. Okay, this link. You're going to copy this link. All right. You're going to go to a website called savefrom.net. From.net. All right. You're going to paste it in there. And it's going to download it for you, and you're going to download it to your computer. There it goes. Okay, so then you can download it in any when you want to, MP4, right? We're going to just do it in MP4. It's going to come down here. I'm going to save it. Okay, so then what we're going to do next, we're going to go to your YouTube channel. You're going to come up here to upload video. I'm assuming that you have a YouTube channel. If you want to know how to start your own YouTube channel, look on YouTube. Okay, so drag and drop, you want to click on here. This is all, stuff that you probably know how to do. That's going to upload. Now you can play with the title, put in the description. Here's where it gets good. You're going to make a thumbnail. All right, you can go to Canva. Whatever you want to do to make a thing. You can make it right on YouTube. You could make it with TubeBuddy or vidIQ, right? So you can use either one of those. But this is what you're going to do. You're going to come back over here to Amazon, right? Now, here it is. I'm pretty sure this is it, right? So you're going to come up here to this is your affiliate bar. Up here. You're going to get a text link. This is your link right here, your Amazon link. You're going to copy that, right? You're going to go back over to your channel. You're going to put it right in here. Right? And you can create a thumbnail here. Let's create a thumbnail. So you would just pick a spot. There's the box. All right, so there's your thumbnail. Okay. You can add text if you want to. I'm not going to go through the whole creativeness of it. Okay. So you created your thumbnail, and TubeBuddy is what I used right there. TubeBuddy is an extension that you use. It has a lot of good things that you can do with it, but I'm not going to go into what it is. But definitely download TubeBuddy for yourself and download vidIQ. Both of them are extensions that'll help you with your YouTube channel. So you change the title because you don't want to have the same title. Here's your description. Now the next thing is going to be your tags. Okay, so next thing you want to do is you want to go and figure out your tags. Now you can go to the top of YouTube search, right? YouTube is a search engine. YouTube is a search engine. So when you come up to your search bar on your search engine and you start typing, okay, these are keywords: speakers, earbuds, headphones. Okay, well now we're looking for headphones. Okay, so now these are your keywords: unboxing, pairing, how to connect, reset, connect to phone, 700 review. Okay, those are your keywords. You can also go to Rapid Tags. It's a website. Go to rapidtags.com. You put in Bose Blue. Again, I'm using this product. You're going to use your own product. Every day you're going to pick a different product. If you have a niche, you're going to stick to your niche. If you have a YouTube channel already in a niche, like I said before, if you have like a puppy video channel and you want to put dog food and leashes and all kinds of paraphernalia for that, remember you got a 24-hour window to sell to these people. They can come back and buy other things in the 24 hours. Okay, so these are your keywords. You can also use. All right. So another thing, you might have. So I skipped over the description. Okay, all I did was put the link in there. Now you can put a description in there if you want. You don't have to because you've got the video up there. But if you want to help SEO to rank the video, you could put your keywords in the title. You could put keywords in the description, and you put keywords in your tags. Okay, so then you're trying to get the video ranked, and that's how you're going to do it. So you're going to pick the proper title, the proper description. Now, the first thing in the description should be your tag, your keyword, okay? And then your first tag in your tags should be the keyword, the tags that you're trying to rank for, all right? You're trying to get the video ranked. Now, don't go for the most popular tags or most popular keywords. Try and go for something long tail, meaning a long sentence instead of just one word. Like, don't go for headphones. Go for wireless Bluetooth headphones, black, Bose, that I can wear jogging, all right, or something like that. A long keyword. You'll rank for that easy, and you'll get traffic, and that'll start the ball rolling for traffic. So basically, you saw how easy that was, all right? You saw how easy it was to get your link. You saw how easy it was to get the Creative Commons video. Um, you know, it's all in a nutshell. So let's recap the steps. You join Amazon Associates, okay? Then you build a YouTube channel, okay, if you don't have one already. So those two things are free, okay? So you have those two things are free to start. Now you're gonna pick whatever products. If the products are are there, there's so many products, okay, that it's you could go ahead and pick expensive products because you want to get a better, commission. But the trick is you're going to put out one video a day. Maybe you want to put out 10 videos a day. If you're not doing anything and you're going to treat this like a full-time job, you put out 10 videos a day. Sooner or later, some of these are going to hit. Okay. Now, another thing you could do is you could take, Christmas is coming right now. It's November, the beginning of November. So you can turn around and you could start pushing for Black Friday and take all those kind of hot items that are on Black Friday and make videos on them. Okay. And, if you have the items, you can make your own videos, like I said, or you can do the Creative Commons method and do it like that. So, but, like and subscribe to the channel because I'm all about making money online. This is one free method. There's going to be other methods that you want to know and learn and, subscribe so you don't miss something. Like the video, you learn something. Of course, you learn something. Matter of fact, share the video because sharing is caring and you learn something here. This is an amazing method to work for free. And, you put these out and before you know it, you're going to be making $100 a day. Before you know it, you're going to be making $500 a day. Before you know it, you'll be making $1,000 a day. Okay. And don't listen to these people that says Amazon Associates is too small of a commission because these videos are free and they're there forever. It's not like a Facebook ad that you have to keep paying every week to put it on there. You put it on once, it's on there forever. So now anytime someone's going to look for Bose headphones, they're going to see that video. Okay, so like and subscribe to the channel, like I said, and don't go nowhere. Get started. Okay, that's another thing. Okay, what's the number one thing holding you back is action. Okay, you're not taking action, so take the action.